Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Having issues with outdated WooCommerce templates? In this video, you will learn how to update outdated templates in WooCommerce and keep your store running smoothly. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So for this specific video guys, we are going to read this article by WooCommerce explaining how to fix the outdated WooCommerce templates and how to edit them. So templates update and changes. We sometimes update the default templates when a new version of WooCommerce is released. This applies to major releases, for example WooCommerce 2.6, 3.0, and 4.0, but also the minor releases of WooCommerce 3.8.0. Starting in WooCommerce version 3.3, most themes look great with WooCommerce. Their developer focus blog will list any templates file changes with each release. You may need to update templates yourself or contact the theme author for an update if you are using a theme with other templates or an older version of WooCommerce, or you modify templates or are using the child theme. Most theme authors fix themes in a timely manner, so you only need to update your theme to get the templates. Alternatively, you can select and use a different theme that already uses current WooCommerce templates. How to update outdated templates? Well, you need to determine what template to update, make a backup of the old templates, and then restore any customization. To do so, go to WooCommerce, click on Status, then System Status. Scroll to the end of the page where there is a list of templates overridden by your theme, such child theme, and a warning message that they need to be updated. In the example below, the templates formpape.php and formlogin.php are outdated. This is an image that is not really loading. So this is like an example of an updated template. Let me just try to stop the add guard. Maybe this will stop the problem. Yeah, the image doesn't really exist. So we cannot really fix that. It doesn't really matter. So let's keep it on. Let's resume ad blocking, and yeah. So this is a message that will have to show for you like they are updated, and there is a message that says that they need to be updated. So what you need to do in that situation is to save a backup of the outdated templates. Now I always use this tool, which is, let me just show you here. Go to plugins and search for all-in-one WP WordPress migration. This one, it's very good. I always use it to actually make backups. So you simply have to go right here and basically go to the list. You'll find export, import, and backups. Just click on backups and create backup of your store. This will allow you to simply make a backup for your store, depending on how big the size of your store, how many contents you have. This will vary a lot on these things. Well, once you have fixed these things and basically you have every thing just have been backupped, then of course you could go to the next step. But yeah, this process is fast for me, as you can see. That's because I do not have anything on the set. Like, I do not have anything but the default template, images and media. Other than that, there is nothing in the store. The TCC is very much fast, but otherwise, if you do have content, videos, images, big size of files, then yeah, eventually this will take hours or even days. So let's keep that running, and let's go and finish this. So copy the default template from WP content plugins, WooCommerce templates, path the template, and paste it in your theme folder found at WP content themes and the path to templates. Then you should open the template you pasted into the theme folder with a text editor such as Sublime, Visual Code, BB Edit, and Notepad++, and replicate any changes that you had to the previous templates in your new updated template file, and yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. They recognize that it can be time consuming. This is why they try to avoid changing WooCommerce templates, but sometimes it is wise to break backward compatibly. So yeah, this is like some frequently asked question: where can I find the latest version of WooCommerce? If you are looking to the default templates to use for updating, you want to use the latest version of WooCommerce. There are a few easy ways to get the templates. Access the files via FTP, which is FileZilla, for example. And if your current WooCommerce installation is up to date, then find the template per WooCommerce version in their template structure documentation. Download the latest version from the WordPress.org plugin page, then download the latest release from the GitHub repository. Why don't you make a button to click and update everything? Well, it is impossible to make a video or one-click updates. Why? Because there is like hundreds of themes and every theme is coded differently. One size does not fill all or fit all of them. So yeah, these are the things that you should be taken as consideration in case you would like to change, edit, or simply just have any kind of fix on the outdated WooCommerce templates. Now, for some reason, there is some template that are here. It is, by the way, the backup, so you could download it on your PC. Let me just download it. As you can see, here it is. So and the best thing about this plugin is it keeps the backups within your website, so you don't have to worry about it later on. If you didn't have it within your PC, you can of course always come back right here and download it, or simply just click on restore to restore it, because this backup will be in your cPanel on your hosting. So yeah, it's still safe unless you don't have enough space, so be careful. Yeah, so for some reason there is some template that could be edited, I mean with editing, like changing stuff, like adding images, stuff like that, with some plugins, some other plugins that could be very helpful. For example, there is the Elementor. So let me just show you Elementor. So there is Elementor. This is very compatible with every single or the most of the WooCommerce store template. This is a very cool template editor. It can help you a lot. It's also have some functionalities for WooCommerce, as you can see, but this is only for the pro version. But yeah, Elementor is very known. As you can see, it has like 1+ million active installation. It's very known. It's nothing to hesitate in case you would like to edit and just build a site in WooCommerce using this plugin. It is something that you must go for. And yeah guys, that was pretty much it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section. And yeah, that was pretty much it. See you guys in the next tutorial.